Meaning of hardback.
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 Hardback. Hardback is a term used to describe a book that has a rigid, sturdy cover made of cardboard or other durable material. This type of binding is commonly used for books that are intended to last a long time, such as reference books, textbooks, or collectible editions. A hardback book typically has a sewn or glued binding that holds the pages together tightly, ensuring that the book will not fall apart even with heavy use. Overall, a hardback book provides a more durable and long-lasting option compared to a paperback book.